Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Coinbase app with phone number. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the option of sign up. Now simply tap on it. Then here you can find the email. Now here is the thing. There is no any built-in feature in the Coinbase app to log in with the phone number, so you need to add your email or your Google account. Now go back and tap on to sign in just right here. Then here you can also find there is no any feature to sign in with the phone number, and there is only the way of using your email, passkey, Google, Apple or your wallet. Now simply tap onto one of these and you can simply log in to the Coinbase app. And that's it. This is how you can log in the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.